Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve. First, familiarize yourself with the 7 dedicated pages at the bottom, each for a specific part of your workflow. Begin by creating a new project and confirming your project settings, like frame rate and resolution, match your source material. Then, easily import your video and audio files by dragging them directly into the media pool. This organized approach helps streamline your entire post-production process from start to finish. For editing, DaVinci Resolve offers 2 powerful pages. The cut page is perfect for fast assembly and rough cuts, featuring a dual timeline for quick navigation. For more detailed work, switch to the edit page. Here, you can perform precise trims, add creative transitions, and apply various visual effects. Remember to organize your clips across multiple video and audio tracks for a clean and manageable timeline. The color page is where DaVinci Resolve truly shines, offering industry-leading tools for visual enhancement. Start by balancing your footage using the primary color wheels, adjusting shadows, midtones, and highlights. Then, leverage the powerful node-based workflow to build complex grades, apply secondary corrections, and create unique looks. This page provides hundreds of artistic tools to dramatically affect the mood of your scene. Once your project is complete, head to the Deliver page to export your final video. Select your preferred format, such as MP4, and a suitable codec like H.264 for broad compatibility or H.265 for smaller file sizes. Ensure your resolution and frame rate match your project settings for the best quality. Add your job to the render queue, then click Render All to create your polished video file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.